Anai Okii versus Anai Bung.
With Anai Bung.
Anai Okii the whites. Anai Okii the whites.
Yes, Anai Bung take it through.
Anai Bung the reds.
Yes.
Anai Okii versus Anai Bung. Under Kokwega Assembly. We are still live in the playground of COTN.
Oh, shut up. It is a corner kick.
It's a corner kick.
For Anai.
It's a corner kick.
Well, that is the first corner kick for Anai Bung. That is the first corner kick.
It's a corner kick.
First corner kick. They have already started. Well, Anai Okii say no. Well,
Anai Okii with the ball.
Number 2.
Anai Okii the whites.
Number 2. Look, is one. Number 2.
Anai Okii the whites. Anai Bung has fallen down.
Referee doesn't say anything.
Anai Bung has fallen down.
Anai Okii, wait in.
It's a match between Anai Okii and Anai Bung. Anai Okii versus Anai Bung. Still in the playground of COTN.
Yes.
Under Kokwega Assembly. Anai Okii with the ball. Anai Okii the whites. Anai Okii the whites. Anai Okii the whites. Anai Bung the reds with the ball. Anai Okii, Anai Bung the reds with the ball.
Long shot. Well.
Wow, it's a free kick.
We are going to get it.
It's going to be a throw in.
That is a throw in.
Yeah.
The second corner. The team of the Loman Raibu. Come team of the Loman Hockey Church.